Hello everyone, it's your girl Britt, the owner and the operator of Crafts by Britt, and tonight we will be using the heat press that we unboxed from yesterday. Hopefully everybody gets on. I know I'm a little later than usual, but we're going to be using this heat press to press a tumbler. Earlier I did one. This is my first time using a tumbler press, so I had a little ghosting at the bottom because I didn't tuck it tight enough. I was also moving too fast, too excited, and I printed the image out backwards, and yeah, so this is what we got. So I didn't want to waste a tumbler because I didn't have a specific design that I wanted to do, and I had already wasted one earlier. So we're going to use one of these sports tumblers that I have, and since it's like the bottle shape, I didn't want to put a full color design on it and then I not be able to get it up there to the top. Okay, so we're just going to do a little Easter design on the front for my little niece. My tumbler press is set to 400 degrees for 50 seconds, okay? I always, even when I was using my mug press, I always press metal at 50 seconds, okay? You want to get like a regular, if you guys are on the video, like the video, comment the video, okay? Let's try to get as many people as possible on here. Tag a friend if you know that they've been wanting to get a tumbler press or they want to do tumblers. But anyway, so when you are dealing with any type of sublimation print, you always want to have a protective sheet. So as you see, my design is taped down, but I'm going to cover up that design with this protective sheet. This protective sheet is to keep the image from bleeding through on the actual pressing pad, okay? So this is a regular piece of copy paper that I have. If y'all want to use sublimation paper, you can, whatever kind of paper you have, but always protect your equipment, okay? So now I have it all the way wrapped up, and I'm going to make sure that the design is going to be face down. I don't want to press the wrong side of it. And then we are going to, righty-tighty, hold on. I'm going to tighten this up as much as I can. Always remember, I forgot to check the temperature before the tightness before I actually turned it on. My bad, y'all. So, but anyways, nonetheless, we're going to get it done. So I have my temperature set to 400, timer set to 50 seconds. I have my protective sheet on it, and I think that we are ready to go. I hope we're ready to go. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. I probably should have taken down this protective sheet, but it'll be all right. One thing that I like about this is that it has heated up really fast. It heated up, it warmed up really fast. I don't know if that's the right word, heated up, but it warmed up really fast. The only thing that I don't like is that it does leave like a little gap, so you're not able to get the seamless tumbler press. But you can take it and flip it and then get the other side, but you will risk like ghosting and stuff like that. So that's the only thing that I noticed about this machine that I just absolutely don't like, is that I can't just get a seamless tumbler. Like this one, it has like a little line going down the center because it doesn't completely shut all the way. But yeah, so we'll see how this comes out. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Okay, so now I have my handy dandy gloves. Let me get the other one out the package. Don't forget, you guys, on our website we do have a St. Patrick's Day and a Easter sublimation bundle set, okay? So that is available on the website. I need to hurry up because I need to, well, let me just grab this and take the tumbler out so it's not steady cooking. Okay, we'll put that right there and then turn off the machine. Don't need no high electric bills. Put the gloves on. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna give this to my niece. So this is it. One way to know that your design went through is if you see the design through the paper really good. I think I see it through the paper really good, but we'll take it off and see how everything turns out. One thing about sublimation is that you cannot go back. It's like you cannot go back. If it's messed up, it's just messed up. But why do I keep reading stuff backwards today? Like, everything is backwards. Everything has been backwards. I'm tripping. So this is how it came out, but it's backwards again. I don't know what's wrong with me today. And once you wipe it off, some of these little white streaks and stuff, it comes off. But yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyways, y'all get the gist of it. I just wanted to show y'all that the machine worked, and I am pleased with it, except for some things, but we can work around it. I just gotta play with it some more. But yeah, I mean, it looks the right way to y'all, but it's very much giving backwards to me because I'm using my frontward facing camera. But this is what we got. Let me know if y'all like it. Drop some hearts if y'all do. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. And then what did I do at the top? I'm giving these to the Goodwill because I don't know what to do with this, y'all. I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm awkward bass. I'm awkward bass today, very much. So I like these for the kids. I will be making some more probably on live tomorrow since I messed this one up. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I really don't. But anyways, so I like these for the kids because they have a top on them. They can clip them onto their belt loops. I do not have these on the website, but if you get a mystery bag, then it might be one in a mystery bag. But yeah, it looks the right way to y'all, but to me it's backwards. So, yeah. I love y'all anyway, and I had fun, even though I messed it up. I got a few more, so I'll make some more. Hello, Jay Scott. Hey, Jennifer. How are you? Yeah, we'll make some more next time, but tomorrow I'm gonna get it right. I'll see y'all on live then. I did enjoy y'all. I'm tired. So if you are in my Facebook beginners class, then the class has been updated today. So if you are not in the class and you need help growing your Facebook, with this class we teach you how to work your sublimation, not work your sublimation, but how to operate Facebook, how to create a business page, how to create a Facebook group, and not only that, but how to set it up and work it. If you've never taken any of my classes, all of them are screen shared, so meaning you'll be able to follow me step by step throughout the process of setting everything up. BrittWithTheBlanks.com is our website. Every course will be on sale March the 24th at 6 a.m. in honor of my birthday. So if y'all want to get me something, sign up for a course and help me help y'all, okay? But this is the project that we did today. If you are catching the replay, please put hashtag replay in the comment section. We did have some ghosting up here too, so I'm going to make the image a little bit smaller next time. But also, one last thing before we go, don't forget we do have a holiday bundle on our website, and I do use the same ink and paper for my projects. And then we haven't had a positive word since I've been back. So my positive word for you all tonight would be to don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Like me myself personally, we might have talked about this before, but like I have a attachment issue to where I get attached to people and things and places, and sometimes even though it's not beneficial to me, I still hold on to it. I'm in a spirit of just letting things go. Just letting things go and really trusting that what's for me is going to be for me, okay? So some stuff I know I need to let go of, but like I said, it's like I got this little issue, so that's what I'm working on, and I want y'all to work on that as well. It's like, stop being attached to stuff, places, times. Like, let's just stop being attached and be able to pivot and move when necessary. But I love you all. If you were not on the video at first, please catch the replay, okay? Peace out, and I'll see y'all soon. if I can get off of here. Bye, y'all.